Good morning, everyone. So, welcome to Prebell with William O'Neill India. So, today is April 25th, and it's our last day of expiry of this April series. And before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. Registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Please read all the related documents carefully before investing. So before we starting this session, this is how US market and Asian market and European market have performed yesterday after our market has been closed. So US market has been closed on the slight on the flattish side, and Dow Jones on the slight negative, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq has been closed on the slight positive side. And European market have been closed on the negative side slightly. And the Asian market are mixed. If you see, Korean market and Japanese market are witnessed some selling pressure. However, Hang Seng and Shanghai is trading in the positive note, and taking cues from the gift Nifty is trading around in subdued session. It's around 50 points down from yesterday's low. So come to the key news. US market has ended flat after sharp fall in Meta and IBM stocks, and they yesterday they have Meta has posted a Q1 earnings, and also they have released the guidance for the for this year. So where it has subdued guidance has dragged its indexes, and also its stock has fell around 15%. So that is a and increased capex also in their earnings. So that is a reason. And IBM also fell around 8% after that missing revenue from the front end. And today there is going to be a earnings release of Microsoft and Alphabet, and also US GDP data to watch out for. And so a very heavy session is going to be in US market. And come to the domestic market, RBI takes action against Kotak Mahindra Bank. So banks are not able banks to halt its onboard new customers via mobile and online banking. And Motilal Oswal has been appointed Prateek Agrawal as the MD and CEO of Motilal Oswal AMC with effective from April 26. And RVNL has declared the lowest bidder. They got a bidder for project worth of 239 crore. And Happiest Minds to acquire PureSoftware Tech for up to 779 crores. And come to the earnings. Yesterday, there has been so many companies have reported the earnings, and we have selected a few major earnings from that. And first is Axis Bank. Very good earnings from them, where Q4 net profit is grew around 11%. Last year they have last year in the same quarter they have posted the loss, but they have come back sharply, and its Q4 profit is around 7,130 crore, and net interest income is up around 12% to 13,000 crore. And HUL disappointed. Its earnings where net profit is down around 6%, and revenue is also flattish. And LT Mindtree is net profit is down. That is also disappointing earnings from the LTIM, where net profit is down around 6%, and revenue is down. It's down around 2%. And AU Bank also not so good earnings from them, where net profit is down around 13%, and however revenue is up around 10%. And Dalmia Bharat also not so great earnings from them, where net profit is down around 47%, and revenue is up around 10%. And Syngene International, they have posted a very good earnings, where net profit is up around 6%, and revenue is down around 8%. Indian Hotels net profit is up around 29%, and revenue is up around 7%. It's a very good earnings from Indian Hotel. And today we are going to see Nestle India, Bajaj Finance, Vedanta, IndusInd Bank as a major earnings. And also, if you see here, mid-cap earnings, mid-cap IT companies like Sant, Mphasis, LTTS Tech Mahindra are going to present its earnings in today's session. So come to the derivative data, Nifty PCR is at nearly stands around 0.99. So it's kind of flattish note on Nifty 50 from the derivative data. So maximum call is placed around 22,500 and 23,000 level, and maximum put is placed around 22,000 and 22,300 level. So come to the chart. So if you see here, this is a Nifty chart, Nifty 50 daily chart. So if you see here, Nifty 50 from the last January, it is trading in this upward sloping parallel channel, and in this. However, if you see last week, after that the expiry week, it has been closed near the downward sloping parallel channel. However, it breached that parallel channel. However, it found some support around its 100 DMA. That this green line is 100 DMA. It found a support around that level, and after that there is a good bounce back, and we are seeing in the Nifty. Also, if you see the broader market, mid cap and small cap has made a all-time high. Small cap, especially small cap, made a all-time high. However, mid cap is still near to its all-time high levels. So right now it's trending at a flat note from last 2-3 days, where it is trading in this this particular range. So what we are going to see? So taking cues from the global market, Nifty likely to open on the flattish side. So it might trade on the lower side around its 21 DMA. So that is around 22,350, that kind of level. So if it fails to hold that level, so we might see some more profit taking, and it might head toward its 50 DMA in today's session. If suppose index is not taking account of what is happening in the global market, then the next leg of resistance is placed around 22,500, 530 kind of level, where this gap down which has happened on the last Monday especially. So that is a level where it might face some resistance. So once it crosses that level, so the next level is previous all-time high, that is around 22,800 kind of level. So on the upside, also derivative data suggests the same, where 22,500 and 23,000 is the next level on the upside for the Nifty 50. So 22,500 is a crucial level on the upside. If it continues its bullish trend, it has to hold that level 22,500 and has to close above that level. So that's it from my side in today's pre-bell session. So thank you for joining this session. And I would also invite you all for today's evening session with the MarketSmith India team, where your all queries related to stocks will be answered there. So please join that session. So thank you for joining this session. Thank you.